Hello and welcome. Today we're going to simplify these algebraic expressions that you see on the screen, and we're going to apply the acronym PEMDAS, which help us to memorize or to remind us what are the order of operations. Just be careful when you apply PEMDAS. I have pointed out in previous videos that sometimes students make mistakes with the order even when they use PEMDAS, which is very popular within students. So let's see here. The first one you have to solve with parentheses. That means brackets and anything that goes inside the group, the numbers or operations. As you see here, the innermost one is 10 minus 9. So 10 minus 8. That's the one I'm going to start. So I'm going to write down everything that comes before and after. Let's do it. 29 minus, open bracket, 5 plus 3, open bracket, 8 times, how much is 10 minus 8? Is positive 2. If it is positive, you can drop the parentheses. You don't need it anymore. Just do it like this. Of course, if you're very familiar with this, you should already solve this and put the number here. But we're going to do just step by step to show you some of the mistakes you commonly do. So now the innermost parenthesis becomes this 2, 8 times 2. So let's copy everything before, 29 minus 5 plus 3. How much is 8 times 2? It's 16. And you ask yourself, what happened here? There is no sign or anything. In mathematics, when you have this situation, you have a number and you have a parenthesis or a bracket or another number, that means you multiply both numbers. This is the same as 8 times 5, which is, this case is 40. So this means there is a multiplication here. The same is happening here. 3 before this bracket means there is a multiplication going on. So 8 times 2 is 16. Is going to multiply 3. I can drop the brackets because I just solved it. I can put if you want to drop the brackets, you have to put the symbol. Otherwise, you just do like I did on this right side here. You could do something like this. All right, I just try to eliminate the brackets. Minus 50 equals. All right, so we have this last brackets or parentheses to solve. So 29. Inside of this, I have some operations going on. I have addition, and I have multiplication, and I have subtraction. As you see, multiplication and division has preference over addition, subtraction, which means I have to solve first. So this one here, I will solve it first. How much is 3 times 16? 3 times 6 is 8. 3 times 1, it's 18. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4, 48. So 5 plus 48 minus 50. It's important you do step by step here, otherwise you can get it wrong. Now, 29 minus, we're going to eliminate this. In order to eliminate this, we only have addition, subtraction. So pay attention here. Addition, subtraction, you're going to solve from left to right what comes first. Again, from left to right, what comes first? First, I have 5 plus 48. So I have 48 plus 5, which is going to be 53. And then I have minus 50. Minus 50 is going to be positive 3. If it is positive, I can drop these brackets. This minus sign is, or subtraction, is outside the bracket. So it's going to be 29 minus 3, because 3 is positive from this operation here inside. Now 29 minus 3 is 26. And that's your answer. Thank you for watching.